Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a country in Infinite Craft. First of all, add water. Then again water. Then again water. Next, go to the Gurdwara side, first fire. Then fire at the volcano with ocean. Then Iceland. Now, we will create a human, first fire. Then wind. Then water. Then fire. Then earth again. Then smoke. Then water. Then fog with planet. Then mud. Then Venus. Then Adam. Now, you may have credit. Remove smoke and mud. Then add human. Then family. Then village. Then town. Then city with continent. Now, you can see a country has been created. That's the way to create a country in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, comment in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.